Practice set 4A, problem number 8, given on page number 110. A slightly lengthy example, but that gives you the scope to apply all your knowledge of GST. The problem says a wholesaler purchased some electric goods for 1,50,000 rupees, sold it to retailer for 1,80,000, and retailer sold it to customer for 2,20,000 rupees. At every stage of transaction, 18% GST is calculated or applied. The question is, calculate or show the calculations of tax invoice of each seller. Okay? Try to focus on the word seller. The one who is selling, he will give the bill. So that bill is called as the tax invoice. In that tax invoice, how much will be the CGST and SGST? This is first question. Secondly, how much tax, CGST as well as SGST, each seller will pay to the government? That also we have to calculate. So, two questions. How much CGST, SGST will be shown in the tax invoice, and how much tax will be paid, CGST and SGST will be paid by each seller, that you have to calculate. Okay, so two questions are asked and there are two transactions. Let us start with the solution. Wholesaler purchased and sold it to a retailer. So he is the first seller. Retailer sold it to customer. So there are two transactions, from wholesaler to retailer and retailer to customer. Let us discuss first transaction. Transaction 1. Taxable value of the goods purchased by the wholesaler is equal to rupees 1,50,000. 18% GST. So actual GST is 18% of 1,50,000. That comes out to be 27,000 rupees. This is the GST paid by the wholesaler while purchasing. So for him, for the wholesaler, it is the input tax credit. So we have written ITC for the wholesaler is rupees 27,000 rupees. अब इसने 1,50,000 में खरीदा and now he is selling for 1,80,000 rupees. This is the taxable value. Okay, that means the tax will be calculated on this value. Now the taxable value of the goods while selling, बेचते वक्त होलसेलर ने खरीदा 1.5 लाख में और बेच रहा है, selling for rupees 1,80,000 taxable value. So the GST will be 18% of taxable value 1,80,000, which works out to be rupees 32,400. So selling के वक्त जो tax आप लेते, that is called as the output tax. So output tax is equal to rupees 32,400. 32,400 is the GST which he collected from the retailer. So when he will give the bill to the retailer, that bill is called as the tax invoice. In that tax invoice, he will show half as CGST and half will be SGST. So half of 32,400, orally it comes out to be 16,200. So CGST and SGST in the tax invoice, that means the bill given by the wholesaler, okay, is equal to half of GST, which comes out to be rupees 16,200. तो बिल में CGST जो रहेगा और SGST रहेगा, that will be rupees 16,200. Okay. Now, how much CGST and SGST the wholesaler will pay to the government? Now, let us calculate the GST paid. Output tax यानी उसने जो जमा किया वो, and input tax जो उसने दिया था वो, उनका दोनों का difference. So output tax minus input tax, that is 32,400 minus 27,000, which comes out to be 5,400. This much GST he will pay to the government. Okay, half of that will be SGST and half will be CGST. Therefore CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of 5,400, that is rupees 2,700 rupees. So 2,700 rupees will be paid as CGST and 2,700 as SGST. Let us go to transaction 2. The ITC for the retailer. रिटेलर ने जब खरीदा था तो इसको टैक्स पे किया था, कितना? 32,400. सो जो पे किया था that will be the ITC of the retailer. So ITC of the retailer is 32,400 rupees. Okay, but he sold the same electric goods to the customer for 2,20,000 rupees. Taxable value 2,20,000 rupees. तो उसका GST कैलकुलेट करेंगे 18% से. 18% of 2,20,000, that comes out to be rupees 39,600 rupees. Okay, this is the tax collected by the retailer from the customer. तो बिल देगा तो उसमें ये टैक्स बताएगा. Okay, therefore, and this is the tax collected, therefore it is output tax also. Okay, now CGST, SGST in the retailer's tax invoice. जो retailer जब इसको कस्टमर को बिल देगा, at that time he will show CGST, SGST equal to half of 39,600, which comes out to be rupees 19,800. Okay, so in the tax invoice, in the bill, CGST and SGST each will be rupees 19,800. This is the tax invoice CGST, SGST. बिल में जो दिखेगा वो. Now how much he is going to pay to the government? जितना उसने जमा किया था उसमें से जो पे किया था इनपुट टैक्स वो माइनस हो जाएगा. सो GST पेड बाय द रिटेलर इज इक्वल टू आउटपुट टैक्स माइनस ITC. 39,600 ये उसने जमा किया, लेकिन उसने पे कितना किया था? 32,400 in the first transaction. Okay, so the difference comes out to be 7,200 rupees. Okay, this is the GST which he will pay to the government. Obviously half will go to the central government and half to the state government. So CGST and SGST is equal to half of 7,200, which comes out to be rupees 3,600. Okay, so all the questions are answered.